Hi guys, this is Thanksgiving weekend, Thanksgiving week and Thanksgiving weekend. So to honor the turkey, because we had to honor the turkey, poor little turkey is gonna have a little incident so that we can eat it. If you eat it, some people don't eat it because they don't eat meat or something, or they don't want to bother with the turkey. That's okay. But to honor the turkey, here is turkey in the strings or in the straw, or whatever you want to call it. But it is what it is. So here it is. There you go. So if you want to learn this, I can make a little video about it and for you to learn it. So let me know. Bye. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Practice, practice. No school, but yes, practice. Practice. Bye.